Let's make your marketing plan. This section we will give all details so that you can start to develop your own marketing plan. Let's see this chart before we start our plan. Before you generate your marketing plan, you should take care of new incomers to the market. So in this chart, you will see the potential entrants. It refers to the addition of new competitors in the existing market. As we know, for each product we have different options, or we have different companies offering the same product with some slight variation in price, item, or etc. Thus, potential entrants refer to entrance of new companies in the market and ways to deal with it. Bargaining power of suppliers. A supplier or producer is the one who produces the product desired or required by the market. The supplier is not necessarily a single person. It can be a group, company, or anything. The function of a supplier is to design product as per the requirement of the client, company, market, and society. Bargaining power of buyers, buyer's buyer, or consumer is the one who swaps the product designed by the supplier as per the demand of the buyer with some valuable commodity. The function of a buyer is to precise in what actually is needed and purchase it from the supplier. For example, buying a car or any other product. Industry competitors. The companies competing with other companies with the same market are known as industrial competitors. For example, we can say that Lakme and Maybelline are industrial competitors as they are in the same market, cosmetic products. And threat of substitutes. The threat of a substitute paves a way for competition in an industry. The threat of a substitution in an industry affects the competitive environment for the firms in that industry and influences those firms' ability to achieve profitability. The availability of a substitution threat affects the profitability of an industry because consumers can choose to purchase the substitute instead of industry product. Marketing planning is the process of improvising a marketing plan, incorporating overall marketing objectives and goals, and designing strategies and programs of action to achieve those objectives. Marketing planning includes setting objectives and targets and allocating those targets to people responsible to achieve them. It also includes careful examination of all strategic issues, including the business environment, the market itself, the corporate mission statement, competitors, and organizational capabilities. Marketing planning is a sequence of stages that are usually followed in a format. Companies can adopt a marketing plan to suit the situation and their requirements. Marketing planning process includes both the development of objectives and specifications how to achieve those objectives. Let us now discuss the components of a marketing plan. First, mission. It is the reason for which a company exists. Mission statement is a direct statement that shows why a company is in business. A mission statement provides basic guidelines for further planning and organized broad parameters for the future. Most of the useful mission statements encourage staff and customers. Now, start to revise your mission statement, or if you don't have, create a new one. You have to have a mission statement. Then, corporate objectives. Objectives are the set of goals to be achieved within a specified time frame. Corporate objectives are essential goals the company as a whole wishes to achieve within a given time frame, such as 1 or 5 years. Let's define your corporate objectives. You can stop the video and take notes. or you can download our plan template to write your company objectives later on. Now, the other step is marketing audit. Marketing audit helps in examining and evaluating the marketing strategies, activities, problems, goals, and results. It is done to check all the aspects of the business directly linked to the marketing department. It is done not only at the initial stage of marketing planning process, but also at a series of points during the execution of the plan. Now start thinking how you can audit your strategies in the future. Let's start thinking how you can audit. Okay, you have to do a SWOT analysis. The information collected throughout the marketing audit process is used for the development of SWOT analysis. It is an analysis of a company's marketing efforts and its strengths, weaknesses, options, and warnings related to marketing functions. You should develop your SWOT now. The next step is making marketing assumptions. A good marketing plan depends on in-depth customer understanding and knowledge. However, it is not possible to know everything about the customer, and many different things are assumed about the customer. Example, assumptions of who target buyers might be. Do you know your existing customers and their behavior? Did you ask them before what they want? Did you measure the touch points of your customer in the store, on the web, or on the phone? Did you make a customer experience survey before? If yes, you have the answers. If not, you should make some assumptions. And now, put down the marketing objectives and strategies. After identification of options and challenges, the next step is to develop marketing objectives that mark the end state to achieve. Marketing strategies are formed to achieve the marketing goals and objectives. They are formed to determine how to achieve those target points. So if you have SMART objectives, which is specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, timely, then you can start writing your strategies. The next step is forecast the expected results. Marketing managers have to predict the expected results. They have to project the future numbers, features, and trends in the target market. Without proper forecasting, the marketing plan could have impractical goals or fall short on what is promised to deliver. So you should be an expert of forecasting. And you should create an alternative plan. An alternate or substitute marketing plan is created and kept ready to be executed in the place of the primary marketing plan if the whole or some part of the primary marketing plan is dropped. So you need to develop a B plan. Of course, you have to make your marketing budget now. The marketing budget is the process of documenting the desired cost of the proposed marketing plan. One common method is to allocate the marketing budget depending on the percentage of revenue. Other methods are comparative methods, all you can afford, and task method. Start developing a budget. And then implementation and evaluation. At this stage, the marketing team is all set to put together the plans into action. This may include spending money on advertising, launching new products, interacting with potential new customers, opening new retail outlets, etc. So you need to have a buying power now. If your budget is approved by top management, you should start to make an effective media buying plan. Now the plan is ready now if you did all these things, but we are not finished yet. A marketing planning process is required to be verified and updated on a regular basis. Marketing research can be defined as the development, interpretation, and interaction of decision-oriented information to be used in all phases of marketing process. Managers require information in order to introduce products and services that create value in the mind of the customer. But the perception of value is a rational one, and what customers prioritize this year may be quite different from what they prioritize next year. As such, the elements that create priority cannot simply be deduced from a common knowledge. Rather, data must be collected and examined. The goal of marketing research is to ensure the facts and directions that managers need to make their more essential marketing decisions. However, to increase the benefit of marketing research, those who use it need to understand the research process and its limitation. For example, global market research. Global marketing is the process of adjusting an enterprise marketing strategies to adapt to the situation in other countries. Suppose we have a widget we would like to sell in Europe, and we are developing our marketing plan. We need to make some strategic decisions like market segmentation, localization, strategic planning, and so on. Global market research is bring the clarity on the following points. Decide whether to go overseas. Get an idea about the competitive strength of global market. Decide which market to enter with better information. Provide knowledge about how to enter global market. Help in formulating marketing schedule, product decision, promotion, product pricing, selection of distribution channel. Help in marketing companies. In short, we can conclude that global market research is necessary when one wants to expand the business globally and to other countries. You have all tips to develop your plan now. I suggest you see the template and start writing your draft plan with these tools we have given to you.